Hi, this is Scott Weidensaw with Project SNOWstorm. Last winter, hundreds of people around the world helped us launch one of the most ambitious research projects ever focused on snowy owls, those immense ghostly white raptors that periodically invade south out of the high Arctic and down into southern Canada and the northern United States. Last year saw perhaps the biggest such eruption in nearly a century, as thousands of these majestic birds poured into the Northeast and Great Lakes regions. Thanks to your support, Project SNOWstorm was able to rapidly mobilize a huge, multi-pronged study to learn more about where these owls go and how they live when they're down here. The results were stunning. We were able to tag 22 owls from Minnesota to Massachusetts using state-of-the-art GPS/GSM transmitters, which allowed us to follow the owls' movements in unprecedented three-dimensional detail, recording their precise location and altitude as often as every 30 seconds, right around the clock. We followed some of the owls as they flew out over the Atlantic Ocean every night under the cover of darkness, hunting ducks and other water birds. We tracked others as they moved onto the frozen expanses of the Great Lakes, staying for weeks or even months at a stretch in what seemed like an utterly inhospitable environment. Some snowies traveled hundreds of miles in a few weeks, while others remained in the same small patch of farmland or prairie all winter. With funding through Indiegogo, we've also been able to analyze DNA samples to look at the genetics of snowy owls, and to use chemical isotopes in their feathers to determine exactly where in the Arctic they came from. Wildlife pathologists and veterinarians in the team have necropsied dozens of snowy owls killed last winter in vehicle collisions and other accidents, allowing us to see how environmental contaminants like rat poisons, mercury, and other toxins are affecting these birds. After last year's big eruption, we were expecting a quieter winter this year. Instead, the owls have come south again in numbers almost as great as last year, with an especially heavy flight in the eastern plains and western Great Lakes. So, Project SNOWstorm is going full throttle again. We've already started tagging additional snowy owls throughout the eruption zone, even as some of the birds from last winter have begun returning south, bringing with them the stored data of their summer movements in the subarctic of northern Canada. SNOWstorm has been a terrific partnership between those of you with an interest in bird conservation and those of us lucky enough to be working directly with these incredible hunters. We want to maintain that partnership, so we're asking for your support again this winter. By making a tax-deductible gift to Project SNOWstorm, you'll help us continue this groundbreaking work. As before, you'll be able to follow all of our tagged birds through interactive, near real-time maps and regular updates from members of our research team. Project SNOWstorm is possible because of you. We're deeply grateful for your support in the past, and we're looking forward to working together to make fresh discoveries this winter about this most mysterious of Arctic raptors. Thanks.